Brutally honest, boy advice, part 2. One major thing I've realized, especially if you're talking to someone new, you never ever share with them how your previous partner treated you or what they did. Why? Because you're setting the standard. उनको पता है कि बस तुम्हें इसे थोड़ा better treat करना है. So they could be doing as little as the bare minimum. But in your head, you will think they're doing the most amazing thing in the world because you've never been treated like that. You let it be a little more natural so you get to see their true colors, whether they're going to be good to you, bad to you, just whatever it is. Once you've started talking a little more, obviously you can share it, but in the initial stage, big no. Now take this with a grain of salt, but I genuinely mean this with a lot of love. Do not date someone unless you are confident within yourself and hold yourself at a high value. Why? Because God forbid, okay, God forbid you date someone who is an insecure piece of shit. They will not only ruin your self-esteem and make you feel worthless, what you're going to start doing is view yourself in that way. You will also start thinking you're worthless, and because of this you will start becoming so dependent on that person and think that they are the only thing that adds to your life, and in reality that is not the case. Now if you were confident enough and held yourself at a high value, you would leave them and not take their shit. I'm saying this only because I have done this and I wasn't confident enough with myself, so I would deal with a lot of bullshit that led to me becoming very dependent on that person. Also, lastly, this one is the most obvious thing in the world. If your situationship lasts longer than a month, what are you doing? One, because when you get into a talking stage, it's to realize if you like them or not. Why would you take more than a month to realize if you like them or not? You're talking almost every day or every other day, if not the whole time, then why aren't you so sure? Either he's protecting someone else's feelings and toying with yours, or you're just like a comfort person to have around so that he can talk to you but he won't cuff you or be exclusive with you. Run!